Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Jazz Journey. It's Jasmine here talking. And guys, I don't know about you, for me, I love to see spoilers. It's the reason why I've been doing this on my channel, to share with you guys the spoilers. And one thing I love is to get those spoilers early on before the month begins, and that's meaning February. That way I'm able to either get another box or just hold on to one of the boxes. So I'm just talking honest here, is why I really like to see spoilers. And I'm excited because some of these spoilers, we're able to see more items, which I'm going to be sharing them on this video for the month of February and for the month of March. That way we get to see a heads up just before the month begins. So let's go ahead and get started with some of those that are confirmed. But before that, I want you guys to go ahead and set this date apart. And as you know, that's going to open on February 8th. That's going to be a Monday. I love that they're including the time, so that way you don't miss out on that. And also, one of the best stores that they have besides add-on is a pop-up store. You know, there's always, sometimes there has been more than 150 items or about 150 items, and you're able to save up to 80% off, which I love. And there are so many great high-end brands as well. So that's going to be happening on February 8th, which is Monday, and Choice is going to open as well for March. There's going to be a recap on the choice items in case you have seen my other video, of course, and if you have made your choice, if you have selected your item. And as you know, this is Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. As you know, this is 2-in-1, which I loved. And I think a bonus is that it includes a mirror and it's perfect for the go. Another choice item was a face, well, actually it's an eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. To me, what I love about Boxycharm and why I've been subscribed for so many years is because I always love to get an eyeshadow palette in the box, but I know sometimes you want to switch it up, and I love that in this case it was a choice item, so you're able to choose that face palette, the eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty, or if you're able to select something, another item that you may need from Brow Bar by Rima Bombshell Brow Kit. I stopped buying brow kit and brow pencils, brow items for so long now because I continuously get them from Boxycharm, which I love, and they work pretty good. So, and it's an item that I always need, so I love that this was the choice item. Let me know down below in the comment section which one of these three you guys selected, because I think it would have been hard for me to choose. Now that we talked about the choice item for the base box, we're going to continue with the base box, but now we're going to talk about other spoilers. This one is not confirmed, and I'm glad that Boxycharm Sneak Peek was able to share some of these items that I'm going to be included on this video. But remember, they're not confirmed. The brand is confirmed. As you know, the February box is going to be worth up to $210, and the brands that are going to feature is Saturday Skin and Tula Skincare. I did mention in another video that possibly it was going to be the Tula Smoothing Primer Gel because it was the only item I've seen in a survey, but she did mention that it could probably be the No Poreless. This is the deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. And Tula, at first I was a little concerned because I do have very sensitive skin. Scrub could irritate just as well as other products that I have tried, but I love that it has worked great on sensitive skincare, which I have sensitive skincare and acne prone skin. So I'm excited to see this will be a product, and here you get to see all the benefits that it does claim for this product, but remember, it's not confirmed. Now let's look at Saturday Skin, what Saturday Skin product may be. I did see that this was the only one that I've seen in a survey, but from Boxycharm Sneak Peek, she did mention that it might be the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I love a sleep mask. They feel so refreshing in the skin, so lightweight, and I love that they do provide some type of nutrients to your skin. This is vitamin C, so it has antioxidants, which is going to be helping enhancing visible radiance. It has niacinamide, which I love, and it's one of those items that a lot of skincare experts do recommend for you to include on your skincare. And it also has retinol, which I'm loving. So I don't know if this is it's not confirmed, but if it is later on confirmed, it may be a variation. So now let's go ahead and move on and mention another item which I'm excited but kind of confused because it's Wonder Beauty. And as you know, we're already getting a Wonder Beauty palette, but it was a choice item, so Double Date Lip and Cheek. And it does say that it is with a built-in mirror, which I thought it was perfect on the go. And these are the two shades that you you're able to see there. But if it's confirmed, I don't know what the shades may be. As you know, that usually vary. Another item she mentioned was a Frank Body. This was caffeinated scalp scrub months ago from this brand, and it was also a caffeinated scrub. It was for the body, but this one is actually for the scalp, which is interesting. I will hope to get this item because it is a great way to actually treat your scalp, which I think is perfect. And this is going to remove any buildup and it's going to detoxify your scalp. So I think this is super interesting. Don't know if this is going to be variation. NCLA, guys. Treatment is vitamin E infused cuticle oil. If you've been subscribed to Boxycharm for years now, you probably still have one that we did get years ago. This is a picture of the one I have. I just have a nice scent and it's not oily at all. And it's so cute. I think it's perfect for Valentine's, and you're gonna see that it's combined with fresh rose petal scent, and you're also gonna be seeing the red heart in that is floating with glitter in there. Another item she mentioned, I try to find more information. This is probably made just for Boxycharm because they do have brushes and a lot of eyeshadow colors. The brushes are so cute, but I did not see one specifically like this one with pink. So it's from Glamier, and it looks like it's going to be a brush set. They are super cute, and I think it's perfect from the decoration as you see in the picture. Perfect for Valentine's. Now that we finished, guys, with the base box, I know so many items been pretty good so far. Let's go ahead and move on to the premium choice item, and as you know, it was Laura Mercier. This is a matte radiance baked powder compact, and this is to work as a highlight. It's going to give you that sheer buildable. But one thing that really caught my eye, that is said matte, and I think it's perfect because that way it doesn't show those bumpiness, especially any texture you may have when you apply the highlighter itself. And it comes in that compact way that it also comes with a mirror. So I think that was a good, not just a good product, but a good brand. That is, once again, we're seeing it on Boxycharm. Then we have Elemis Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. This is super interesting. It's a different category, and this is, when I read, it's a body oil that's going to help alleviate any tension you may have. It's going to help relax and ease those tired muscles. So that sounds super exciting, and once you warm up any oil, it surely does help the skin, and I love the ingredients that is infused with. Another product is the KBD. This is a vegan mascara. It's meant to be long wear mascara. It's gonna smooth and glide to give you those long, big blowout volume lashes. And the last one is actually a skincare from Pure Cosmetics. This is an overnight detox anti-pollution moisturizer that is called Submerge, to tackle dry skin, fine lines and wrinkles, so to give you that intense hydration. Great products for premium. Here comes the palette. I wish this was a choice item, to be honest with you guys, because I have the pastel, the mint color. I would love to have the other ones. I am not sure if this is going to be added in the pop-up store. I hope it is, so that way we could complete the collection if this is something you guys are looking for. But one thing I did hear in the video, that this is going to be a variation. So that's the only thing that I was a little sad about. But there's going to be a variation between two other products that I'm going to mention coming up. So I was hoping that we were all going to get it. This is a variation that is with, you may get the Huda Beauty palette, or you may get the Farsali, the Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat moisturizer. Another product that's going to be a variation is Glam Glow. This is super mattified, clarifying oil control face primer. This is such a pretty face primer. It has super ingredients in there. 6 acids are gonna help control the shine. It sounds such like a great product too, but now it's hard because I would love to try these products, the primer, also the Farsali. I would love to try it, and I also would love to have the palette, but this is a variation between all these three products. This is not confirmed, and it's interesting that she mentioned this as well. This is from Love Script, and what I mentioned is interesting because this is a neck cream leave-on mask. That's interesting, and as you know, this is something that we've been seeing a little bit more. A neck cream to hydrate that area. It's interesting, and look at the price tag of $58, and a blend of shea and cocoa butter, so and other essential oils. So it's great to hydrate hydrate that area too. But remember, this is not confirmed for the premium box, and if we see it, it might be a variation. Another product is from Audacity. This is a cleansing water, of course. This is to help remove pollution, impurities. Of course, it's to remove your makeup. This is great for all skin type, and this is a cleansing water. I just received a cleansing water on my base box when I share my unboxing, and I'm not so crazy about it because I feel like you need to continue adding the water to remove all the makeup. I feel like a balm works so much better and so much quicker, but hopefully if we get this, I hope that it does leave your skin feeling super clean. And it's a new product, but then again, it's a new brand coming to Boxycharm, but like I said, it's not confirmed. Now let's talk about March. Yes, let's go ahead and look into March already. We have one item already confirmed. This is going to be for Boxyluxe. As you know, Boxyluxe is an upgrade for the base box, and so far we know that the average value is going to be $445. There's going to be 8 full-size items based on the website, and you get to choose 1 to 2 items, and we don't know the rest of the items that are going to be a choice item, but so far we know that Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation is going to be a choice item. I am so happy that this, guys, is going to be a choice item because this is one of the foundations that I love it so much that it already finished. I don't have it anymore. I ran out, I think, a month ago, and I needed to stock up, and I feel like this is coming in a perfect time for me. I love the coverage. I love how long it lasts. I love how it looks. You could actually build it up. Same that now is in a boundary breaking range of 50 shades, and you guys get to see the shades there. If this is something you would like to have, go ahead and start looking for the shade that best will match your skin. That way you're ready once it opens up for choice. So guys, I'm super excited, but then again, I don't even know what the other items are gonna be, but so far I think this will be the item I will pick. Now, this is not confirmed. This was shared on a quick picture video from Joe, from the CEO from Boxycharm, and he did show some items. One of these items is from Lime Crime Venus 3. Look how cute this palette is. I don't know, I feel like because of the size, it might be more for the base box, but like I mentioned, it's not confirmed. I don't know if it's going, I don't think it's going to be for February. If anything, this might be for March, since we already saw the choice items did include 2 different type of palettes there. But I wanted to show you guys that this is coming, guys, to Boxycharm. So here is everything so far for February and March, maybe a possible sneak peek there. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys are excited for what's coming for February. Let me know on the comment section. So thank you guys for spending time, and until the next video, bye.